2026 Toyota GR86, affordable fun for beginner enthusiasts. The 2026 Toyota GR86 stands as one of the best affordable sports cars for beginner enthusiasts, delivering a pure, balanced, and thrilling driving experience without an intimidating price tag. As a collaboration between Toyota and Subaru, the GR86 embodies the spirit of lightweight performance and driver engagement, perfect for newcomers who want to experience genuine sports car excitement in a manageable and affordable package. From the outside, the 2026 Toyota GR86 looks sleek, aerodynamic, and aggressively sporty. Its low stance, sculpted lines, and wide fenders showcase its athletic DNA. The LED headlights, rear diffuser, and dual exhaust outlets add a race-inspired touch, while the 17-inch or optional 18-inch alloy wheels enhance both grip and appearance. The GR86's aerodynamic shape isn't just for show, it's designed to reduce drag and improve stability at high speeds, ensuring smooth and controlled handling on twisty roads or track corners. Under the hood, the 2026 GR86 packs a 2.4-liter naturally aspirated flat-4 engine, producing 228 horsepower and 184 lb-ft of torque. Thanks to its rear-wheel drive layout and lightweight chassis, around 2,800 pounds, it delivers quick acceleration and dynamic handling. The car can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 5.4 seconds, making it one of the most exciting cars in its price range. Drivers can choose between a 6-speed manual transmission for a more engaging experience or a 6-speed automatic with paddle shifters for everyday convenience. Inside, the GR86 maintains a driver-focused cockpit that prioritizes simplicity, functionality, and sportiness. Deeply bolstered bucket seats keep you secure during cornering, while the digital instrument cluster and 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system provide all essential information. The system supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth connectivity, and navigation, ensuring convenience even during spirited drives. High-quality materials and intuitive controls make the cabin feel premium, yet purpose-built for performance. Safety remains a key focus in the 2026 Toyota GR86, especially for newer drivers. The car comes equipped with Toyota's Safety Sense suite, which includes pre-collision braking, lane departure alert, adaptive cruise control, and automatic high beams. Combined with its stable chassis and precise steering, the GR86 gives beginners confidence behind the wheel without dulling the excitement that comes from driving a true sports car. On the road, the GR86 shines with its superb balance, responsive steering, and communicative suspension. It corners sharply and feels connected to the pavement, allowing drivers to learn and improve their driving skills safely. The rear-wheel drive setup offers just the right amount of playfulness, making every curve or highway on-ramp feel like an opportunity to smile. Despite its performance, the GR86 remains practical with decent fuel economy and reliability, hallmarks of Toyota engineering. In summary, the 2026 Toyota GR86 is a lightweight, affordable, and incredibly fun sports car that's perfect for beginner enthusiasts. It blends everyday usability with true sports car DNA, offering an engaging, confidence-inspiring experience for those who want to explore the thrill of driving without spending a fortune.